In this video, we want to create a function to display the wind direction based on the wind degree. Right now, I had coded the wind direction northeast right here. If I go to my home.html, you can see I just had coded it. But what we are going to do is, based on the wind degree, we are going to display the wind direction. So to see the wind direction, let's go to home.ts. Right here inside Eon view did load, I'll do a console.log. So console.log. Inside I'll pass this.local info. So I'll save this. Now go back to the browser and I'll open the terminal or the console in the browser. So if I click here, you can see I have an object. Inside the object, I have two other objects like the current and the forecast. Now what I did, I changed the name from weather. If I open my app.component, right here, I changed the key here from weather to current. That is why current is displayed here. Now inside this current object, we can see we have another object called wind, and it has degree and speed. So right here, we're already displaying the speed. What I want to display is the wind degree based on this value we have here. So what I'm going to do is I'll copy and paste the function. So let me take this one out. Down here, I'll create a function called wind direction. Set it equal to this using the fat arrow. So inside there, I'll pass a parameter degree. You can set the type number, or you can leave it. Let's just leave it. Here we are setting the type. You see that the type here is number, but here degree, but it's going to be of type number. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just paste in the code. Then let me indent this properly. So I'll indent this. Then maybe indent all of these as well. So let me do this for all the functions. Now what this is saying here is we are checking if we have the temperature or the degree between this value. If the degree is between 11.25 and 33.75, we display northeast. If it's between these values, we display east northeast. If it's between these values here, we display east. If it's between these values, east southeast, we have southeast, southeast, south southwest, southwest, west southwest, west northwest, northwest, northwest. Else we are just returning north. So you can either pause the video right now and then copy all of this, or I'll just paste the code for you to copy and paste as well. You can feel free to improve on these values. So if maybe the wind degree is something between 168 and 191, then we are going to see south. If it's between 213 and 236, we are going to see southwest. If it's between 236, 258, we are going to see west southwest. So we have the wind direction function. What I need to do is go to my home.html. Now inside the home.html, I'll change this. This is going to be wind direction. Then inside the wind direction, I'll pass in slide dot current dot wind dot degree. As you saw when I showed in the console, we have an object called current, and inside the object we have another object called wind with a value of degree. So that is the degree that we are passing inside this wind direction function. So now that we have this, if I save and go to the browser, you can see here that it is displaying south. The reason is because the degree is somewhere between 168 and 191. That is why it is displaying south. If we have something different, then it's going to display a different wind direction. So as I said, you can pause the video right now and go ahead to copy this, or you can wait to the next video where you see I pasted the code. You can copy and paste as well.